this tractor behind me? I don't know how to drive it, but it needs to be moved, and I'm the only one here right now. So I have to call Shane, and he's gonna walk me through on the phone how to drive his tractor. Wish me luck. I'm scared. I don't like using a clutch. Hi. All right. What do I do? Red key. Yep. If you're curious to see what I was working with when I was on the phone with Shane, he told me to grab a big lever, and I'm like, well, I see 3 big levers. And then it was the one with the letters. I had to move this into B, so at max I would go 5 miles an hour. I had to use this. I pulled it back to lift up the bucket, and then I kept this as low as it could go because I do not like going fast on tractors. That might be my new ride.
Yeah.
Well,
Thank you for doing that.
you're welcome. Anytime.